Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and start playing Resident Evil 3 on your Mac. Before getting started, make sure your Mac has enough available storage space and is connected to a stable internet connection. First, open the App Store on your Mac. You can find it in your dock, Launchpad, or by searching for it using Spotlight. Once the App Store is open, click the search bar and type Resident Evil 3. Select the game from the search results to open its official App Store page. You can also review the game's system requirements and compatibility information before installing it. When you're ready, click the Get button, followed by Install. You may be asked to confirm the download using your Apple account password or Touch ID. The game will now begin downloading and installing. Since Resident Evil 3 is a large game, the process may take a while, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the game. You can also find and open Resident Evil 3 later from your Applications folder or Launchpad. The first time you launch the game, you may need to download additional files or adjust the graphics and display settings for the best performance on your Mac. And that's how you can download, install, and play Resident Evil 3 on a Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future Mac tutorials.